Hi, and welcome to this new channel of In Frame magazine. One problem that comes up all the time when you're preparing photos for use on the web, submitting your images for a publication, printing, or social media is how to crop them to the exact pixel size. Let's say a publication wants you to upload a photo that's exactly a certain size. How do you get your photo exactly that size? Of course, there are a lot of ways to do it, and most of them are frustrating, difficult, and time-consuming. But there is also an easy one-step shortcut trick for doing it, and that's what we are going to look at in this video. Let's say you want to submit your new photo shoot with that beautiful model, and a magazine tells you that you need to upload the photo that's exactly 2550 by 3300 pixel. So, how do you make your photo exactly that size? Clearly, this is a job for Photoshop. I've mentioned before that there is a way to do it in just one step while choosing exactly the part of the photo you want. Now I'm going to show you how. As you can see, I choose an image to resize that is bigger than the dimensions required. I'm going to drag this image in Photoshop. We are going to start by selecting the crop tool. There are three little boxes here. Check this little drop-down menu and make sure it says width by height by resolution. You can type the exact dimension here in pixels, 2550, and in the next file, I'm going to type 3300. And I'm going to type px, meaning pixels. In this last box, I'm going to type 300, which is the DPI you want. At 300 dpi, the dots are small and close enough to blend to create the illusion of a continuous tone image, making the printed image appear smooth and high quality. This resolution is commonly used in various printing forms, including offset, digital, and screen printing. So now you see when I move the handle, it's keeping the ratio that I wanted. It's always going to be 2550 by 3300. And then it's just a matter of selecting the part of the photo that I think is ideal for my purpose here. Once happy, hit enter to crop it. Make sure you don't pick a really small area. You should be aware that if you cut the image too small, it might be blurry and lose quality. Now, let's check the size. To do it, we go to Image size, and there it is. It's exactly 2550 by 3300. And it's exactly the part of the photo that I want the editor to use. Now let's save. I'm going to pick Save As to don't overwrite to the original image, as I want to compare both of them. And save. We want to make sure to save it at the best quality. Let's compare the original and the new image size. You can see the right size on the new photo and the original as it was. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. More videos are coming soon. Bye!